My tips for speaking practice for beginner Japanese learners. I'll share my secret as a professional teacher. You just need to know the right method finally works for you. I explained the importance of self-practice for boosting your confidence on the last video. Because no preparation makes you feel lost. But how would you prepare? In real conversation, they ask you about you, and you ask about them. This is real interaction in speaking. So first, practice understanding questions and how to answer. You simply make question and answers by using the new expressions. And second, be prepared to talk about yourself. Do you normally talk about the main character of your textbook? From today, please focus on yourself. So spend some time making a solid foundation after each lesson before speaking with the native speakers. It's just like practicing tennis and piano. You can prepare your speaking through Master Speaking Japanese. You will build a solid base and speak better. If you prefer self-study, it's perfect for you. You can study anytime, anywhere, and it's less costly. Try free lessons on masterspeakingjapanese.com. See you there!